Hi children, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you are going to see SOF International Mathematics Olympiad of Grade 4. In this paper, you are going to see only 10 questions. From each section, you will be having 2 or 3 questions. In the actual exam, you will be having 35 questions and the time will be 1 hour. First section, logical reasoning, you will be having 10 questions and 1 mark. Second section, mathematical reasoning, you will be having 10 questions and 1 mark. Third section, everyday mathematics, you'll be having 10 questions and 1 mark. Fourth section, achievers section, you'll be having 5 questions. Each question carries 2 marks, children. Let's quickly see the syllabus. Section 1, patterns, alphabet test, coding, decoding, ranking test, mirror images, geometrical shapes and solids, embedded figures, direction sense test, days and dates, and possible combinations, analogy and classification. Section 2, numerals and number names, number sense, more than 4-digit numbers, computation operations, fractions, length, weight, capacity, time. Section 3, syllabus as per Section 2. Section 4, higher order thinking questions, syllabus as per Section 2. Let's quickly see the first section, logical reasoning. First question, how many triangles are there in the given figure? Let's first count the number of triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And few more triangles are there. Let's check what are those. Up, down, left side, right side. Up, this is 7. And down, this is 8. Left side, this is 9. Right side, this is 10. So how many triangles are there? There are 10 triangles are there in the given figure. Option A 11 wrong, option B 12 wrong, option C 10 is the right answer, children. Second question, there is a certain relationship between figure 1 and 2. Establish a relationship between figure 3 and 4 by selecting a suitable figure from the options which will replace the question mark in figure 4. So this is the equilateral triangle. It will be equal in sides if you rotate it. So if you rotate this triangle, symbols will be changed and the triangle remains the same, and this square goes to the other end and star goes here, circle went there, arrow comes down. So in the same way, if you rotate this square, triangle will come over here and the square changes as arrow goes over here, star comes down, circle goes here, solid circle, yes will go up. So this is the relationship from this figure. So option A wrong, option B wrong, option C wrong, option D, yes, this is our answer. See children, yes, arrow, star, solid circle. So this is the correct answer. Option D is the right answer, children. Now quickly see the third question. Some letters are given which are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 followed by 4 options containing combinations of these numbers. Find the combination of numbers so that letters are arranged accordingly to form a meaningful English word. Okay, if you don't get the word immediately in the exam, you can go with the options. Check with the options. See, 6 is nothing but G, O, L, D, E, N. So what word it is? Golden. Is it a meaningful word? Yes, it's a meaningful word. So this is the right answer, children. If you are not getting with the first option, you can go and check with the second option quickly so that you will be getting the answer, children. If you don't get with B, you can check with C and D as well. You are supposed to do it quickly. Second section, mathematical reasoning. Fourth question, difference between the place values of 4 and 5 in the number given below is dash. Let's quickly find out the place value for 4. After 4, you have to keep zeros. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 zeros. So the number becomes 4 lakhs. And place value of 5, after the 5 digit, you have anyhow you are having zeros. So put as it is 500. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Take a borrow, 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. It becomes 9. This also becomes 9. This becomes 3. So put 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 3 minus 0 is 3. So we got with the answer 3,99,500 is the answer, children. Option A 1 wrong. Option B 3,99,500 is the right answer, children. Fifth question. The given figure is made up of 3 rectangles. Find the length of CD. So this is CD. We are not given the length of CD here. So we know GH, we know AB, we know EF. So from these given lengths, we are supposed to find out the length of CD. So let's write GH is equal to, opposite sides are equal. So this becomes 5, this becomes 4. So let's name it as I and let's name it as J. So HI plus IJ plus J and G. So HI is 5, IJ is not known, and J and G is 4. This we know GH 17. So IJ is equal to 17 minus 5. If it goes here, it becomes minus 5. If 4 goes over here, it becomes minus 4. So 17 minus 5 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 centimeters. So we got this as 8 centimeters. Opposite sides are equal. So this becomes 8 centimeters. So option A 10 centimeters wrong. Option B 7 centimeters wrong. Option C 8 centimeters is the right answer, children. How many multiples of 10 are there from 20 to 150? So here is a keyword if you closely observe. So from. If you don't see this from, you will start counting from 30. Isn't it, children? So keep in mind, from means we are supposed to start from 20, then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. So how many multiples of 10 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So option A 13 wrong, option B 14 is the right answer. Seventh question. The flight from Chennai to Dubai took off at 4:45 hours. It landed in Dubai at 9:15 hours. How long was the flight? So 5 hours minus 4:45 is nothing but 15 minutes. So 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, and to this 4 we are supposed to add this 15 minutes plus 15 minutes. This becomes 30 minutes. So 4 hours 30 minutes is our answer, children. Option A 4 hours 50 minutes wrong. Option B 3 hours 55 minutes wrong. Option C 4 hours 30 minutes is the right answer, children. Eighth one, the total number of children in a class is 40. 7 children were absent on Monday. What fraction of total children were present on Monday? So first we are supposed to subtract these two. Total minus the absentees number. 40 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. 1 went borrow, so it becomes 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. So numerator is 33. And the total number of children in a class is 40. Denominator becomes 40. So fraction is 33 by 40. So option A 7 by 40 wrong. Option B 33 by 40 is the right answer, children. Last section, Achievers section. Ninth question. Pinku, Ravi, Brijesh and Raghu are friends. The graph shows the number of toy cars each of them have. What can we conclude from the given graph? How many Brijesh has? 15 cars. How many Raghu has? 20 toy cars. How many Ravi has? Ravi has 30 toy cars. How many Pinku has? 40 toy cars. Right, children? So let's check with the options. Option A, Brijesh has 1/3 of toy cars Pinku has. How many Pinku has? 40. 40 by 3 is not equal to 15. So option A is not correct. So option B, 3 children have more than 20 toy cars. No. 2 are having 15 and 1 is having 20 less than 20. So this is not correct. So option B, 3 children have more than 20 toy cars. Let's count. 1 is having 15, 1 is having 20. No. Option B is also wrong. Option C, Ravi has twice as many toy cars as Brijesh has. How many Ravi has? Ravi is having 30. Ravi is having 30. Brijesh is having 15. So Ravi has twice. So we are supposed to do it double. So 15 into 2 is 30. Now Ravi and Brijesh are equal. So option C is the right answer. 10th question. Sanchi thinks of two numbers. Here are the conditions given. We don't know the two numbers. What are those? And conditions are given. Let's read the conditions. The difference between the numbers is 8. The product of the numbers is 128. Both the numbers are even numbers. What is the sum of the value of numbers and value of smaller number? So the product of the numbers is given. So 128. Let's write the factors. 1 into 128 is 128. 2 into 2 6 is 12. 2 4 is 8. 3 will not be divisible. So take 4. 4 3 is 12. 4 2s are 8. 5 will not go. 6 will not go. 7 will not go. 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 6 are 48. So let's check with the conditions. The difference between the numbers is 8. Difference between two numbers is 8. Let's write here last two possible factors. 16 minus 8 is nothing but 8, children. And the product 16 into 8 is equal to 128. Both the numbers are even numbers. Yes, both the numbers are even numbers. What is the sum of the value of numbers? Sum of the value of numbers is 24. So what is the smaller number? 8. 8 is the smaller value. So option A 28 comma 4 wrong. Option B 24 comma 8. Option B 24 comma 8 is the right answer, children. Yes, we are done with the sample paper, children. So you can check with the answers. And please like and subscribe my channel, children. Bye, children.